Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how you can earning from Monetag with Monetag Arbitrage. Most of the people doesn't know how can earning from there, and most of the people doesn't know how can earning from Monetag without website. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how you can earning from money in this Monetag dashboard without website. Okay, here is my Monetag dashboard, and here is my total value $4.07, and here is my traffic source. Okay, I have no website in right now. I just working with direct link. Here is the direct link. I created much direct link here, and here is my traffic source, Neon.today. I purchased $10 credit from here, like a 11 point something spent for 1 lakh credit, and here is a Monetag direct link. Here is another link, and today I got 150 and 150 300 traffic from Neon.today in Monetag direct link. So today statistics here, today is 26/8, and here is 835 impression. I think 835 traffic, and the profit will be okay, wait, 26, just wait. Here is the 835 traffic and profit 0.191. so here is my payment details. Here I already got $11.11, and main balance is 1.58, total is 4.07, and whole balance is 2.49. and after this payment period, this value will be added in withdraw balance. Okay, so here is a direct link, and here is today statistic. Here all the traffic from Neon.today. If you want, you can get without purchased credit, and if you want, you can purchase here traffic like buy credit, and here is a offer for us in like 1,000 rubles and 1 lakh credits. 1,000 rubles is BDD Taka is ₹2 BDD. If you converted it is Russian 1,000 is Bangla 1298 something, and USD if you convert this rupee to USD, here is United States dollar is $10.87. If you spend $11, you can get 1 lakh credit, and if you working with 1 lakh credit, then you will earn minimum $15. If you invested $11, you will earn $15 from Monetag direct link. Here is the code of Monetag Arbitrage. So today I'm gonna show you how you can earning from Monetag with purchased traffic, and it's really easy, and everyone can earning from here. You don't need any skilling, you don't need any take any pressure, just process traffic and divide this traffic in Monetag direct link. Okay, so today is 8:35, and the dollar is 190, 0.19.1. The CPM is 0.23. the CPM is 1000 impression. If I got 1000 impression and I got 0.23, okay. Especially okay, I show you the full details on here. Okay, the country. Okay, this advertising website Neon.today, they have most of the traffic from Russia and Ukraine and others. The Russia Federation 300-3, the earning will 0.02, CPM is 39. Pakistan 0.008, CPM is 4, is so down. And all the countries is down today, but sometimes the Russian CPM is $1, 1.5, something is up and down, no problem. So here is the today. Okay, show you manage in Sharping. Today already I deleted one direct link from here. Today I got 150 and 150. This 150 from traffic is Russia and US, PK, Ukraine and others countries. Okay, so I delete all this here. So I'm gonna show you that how you can add your direct link here, and go to the direct link from Monetag and copy one link, then insert here. I recommended to you just select in 45 seconds. 45 seconds is best, and if you want, you just you can select in 30 seconds, no problem. If you can select 30 seconds, the cost will be 1.5, and if you 45, then cost will be 2 credit. Okay, then I add here. Okay, and add second link 45, and here it's true, and give another link from here. Okay, so I already added 3 links and 100 credit and 100 credit. Okay, I already submitted this link for traffic, their link for Monetag, and I spent 300 credit for 300 impression, but sometimes it's got like a 200, 250, 180. It doesn't matter, no problem, you can use it. Okay, the traffic is not start yet. Okay, after sometimes this traffic will be running, and you will get the impression on Monetag direct link here. Okay, I will be back after 13 minutes. Then I will show you how much money I will earn from 300 credit Neon.today traffic from Monetag. Thus today is 8:35. Okay, and please remember that 8:35. Okay, so after this traffic I got, and the result is here. The impression is 982. The profit is 0.241. Okay, but the main balance is not updated yet, but within 13 minutes and the main balance will be updated, and this value will be added on the payment balance. Okay, here is the direct link traffic, 50 traffic, 50 and 50, only 150 traffic I send it on Monetag direct link, and the profit will be on there. Okay, before I added this direct link on Neon.today, the profit was 0.2 191 I think, but now is 241. Okay. So 115 traffic and the earning is 3 cent. Okay. So Monetag direct link is really outstanding, and if you have one earning from Monetag, then you will choose this traffic source Neon.today. And if you have no money and if you can't purchase any credit from this website, then you will earn free credit from here. Just click on surfing and click on here and start. Okay, here is a 48,746 when I start surfing. Okay, there is the second is 35. Okay, after 5 seconds the credit will be added on the main balance. Okay, so let's check. Earn today 0 credit. Okay, please wait some seconds, 8 seconds. Okay, if you earn credit from here, you just click on start button and it's working, continue. Okay, start again another, the 1 credit is earning. Okay, already I earned 1 credit. Here is a system to free earning credit from Neon.today, and if you have money, if you can invest it from here for the Monetag direct link, then you will purchase credit. Okay, so this video I will teach it to you how you can earning from Monetag direct link Neon.today traffic. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.